This is the second part of the story. That is the what? The story written by Sunil Kumar Nabi. So we were discussing about these two families, Naeem and Kareem, their children. The children are happy even though there is a great rift in the relationship between these two families. Actually, Naeem is very good by nature, and that's why he has developed good relations with his customers also. His customers are also very happy with him. In the same way, the people who are working in his shop as attendants, they are also happy, and that's why he could employ more than 5. It means here the number is given 6 attendants to work in the same shop owned by himself. On the other hand, we see Karim's nature is not good. He is always having somewhat enmity or somewhat bad thinking about the other people, and that's why whenever any customer comes to his shop and he asks for somewhat substitute, okay, to the medicine given in the prescription itself, he gets somewhat angry and he says anything in that state of mind, right? And that's why he has lost a lot of customers, and that's why if we make comparison between these two businessmen, between these two persons, between these two people, we can say that Naeem is doing good business, right? And it's because of his politeness, it's because of his amicable manners, as he is a amiable person having good relations with the people, right? And that's why he has good customers in his shop, the regular customers, and it is also in the main market. That shop is also in the main market. One day, what happens? As usual, Karim goes to his shop, it means pharmacy, and he when opens the pharmacy, he feels somewhat dizziness, and he literally develops fever, right? He does not feel well, and that's why he hands over the responsibility of the shop to someone else, the attendant. But after that, he feels that he should shut down his shop. He should close the shop for the rest of the time of that particular day and go back home, as he himself is the pharmacist, right? He knows many things about this, about the medicine. His knowledge is quite good, as is in that particular business, right? So he takes some medicine on his own without consulting to doctor. When he comes back, he feels that he has developed a kind of headache and body pain and all these things. Okay, after some time, it is clear, it is revealed that he has developed not only the headache and the body pain, but fever also. Okay, and that fever is also severe fever. But he thinks, as he himself is the pharmacist, he thinks that after taking medicine, he would definitely be well soon. He is quite optimistic about himself, about his own health, and he's sure he feels that he would be better. He would feel better. Okay, within 2, 3, 4 hours or the next day. And that's why when his wife Zahira tells him that we must consider a doctor, we must call him doctor, he says that I'm in the business, I know much better. He will just come and charge a lot of amount for coming to home. So it's better that I take the medicine on my own, and definitely I will improve my health. Okay. After 2 days, after 3 days, after 4 days, literally a week passes. And after 7 or 8 days also, his health deteriorates. His health worsens. And after such a long gap of time, when his wife sees that there is no any improvement in his health, the physical condition of Karim is deteriorating, worsening day by day, she feels that she must consult a doctor, she must call a doctor. And therefore, she suggests that he means Karim, should call Naeem, his younger brother, who is just living in the same vicinity, in the same premises, in the same area. But as we have seen, as we have discussed, that there is kind of enmity, there is kind of gap between these two people, between these two brothers. There is no called a relationship between them. Karim actually does not just hesitate for calling Naeem, right? He actually has no trust in Naeem, and as his heart is full of hatred for Naeem, he says that no, not at all. I'll not call Naeem for any kind of help. I'll not take the help of my brother. Instead, just call. He gives the order to his wife Zahira to call Munawwar. In the very beginning, I have already told that Munawwar is shown, Munawwar is presented as the fast friend of Karim. Doctor is called, he examines him. Fever is there, headache is there, body pain is there. Okay, all these symptoms are there in him. He prescribes medicine, he takes the medicine, but after that also there is no any use of that. There is no any positive effect of the medicine. It does not improve. Okay, there is no any improvement in his health. There is no any improvement in his physical condition. This shows that he has become a kind of bedridden patient. The doctor which is called to diagnose Karim is shown as one of the most renowned, one of the most famous, one of the best physicians of the age of the time. And when he says that I cannot do anything more than this, okay, he feels very sorry for this physically robust, but now has developed weakness in himself because of being ill or sick for nearly 7 to 8 days. He feels sorry and he leaves. After that, one day what happens, when he is sitting in the veranda of his house, he is sitting in the armchair, he sees one thing, he observes one thing, and that is the main cause, that is the root cause of change in his heart, in his mind. It changes the mind of Karim. He feels something for his brother Naeem. He feels sorry for himself as well as his brother. He regrets after seeing that scene. What is that? It says that a bitch is there and the bitch is feeding her children, small puppies. Okay, I'm using the word deliberately, children, puppies. And in between, he sees that one kitten, a small kitten, comes there, and she also mingles with those puppies, and it is just a kind of charisma, it is just a kind of magic that the kitten comes to the beach and feeds on the beach. Okay, and there is no any problem to that kitten. There is no any problem to the beach also. Primacy, we must observe that these two animals are actually enemies. Okay, they cannot bear the presence of one another. They are arch enemies of each other. But here, this particular rule does not apply because his eyes cannot believe what he sees, that the bitch is feeding the kitten. It is just an unusual happening incident, and this creates a kind of ray of hope in his heart, in his mind. This is very important because this particular scene changes the heart of Karim, and he feels that if a kitten and a dog or a bitch can live together, going against the rule of the nature itself, how can I be so rude to my own brother? How can I be so abhorrent about my own brother? how can I be so you know all these bad things in my mind about my own brother, and this changes his heart. And lastly, he calls his brother Naim. When Naim comes to meet him, he feels somewhat better. Okay, because after a lot of days they are meeting, and there is no any hatred, there is no any abhorrence, there is no any detest between these two families. All the people come together: Munir, Aslam, Hasina, Nasima, Kareem, Naim, Kareem's wife Zahira, Naim's wife Firdos. All these people are together. Okay, and Naim comes very close to Kareem and says that get well soon. You will be, you will feel much better. The last time, actually, it is just the end of his life. Actually, it is the last chapter of his life, and he feels somewhat pacified, solaced, at the same time restless. He regrets for not allowing Naim for such a long period of time to come and mix with himself. He was the part of his life. Both of them are shown as the real brothers, and he regrets for this particular thing. And a few drops of tears fall down on his cheeks. It shows that he is regretting for what he had done in his past. Okay, and the last time when all these people are together, they are just standing near